Hi, my name's Lily from Sharp Shots Photo Club, and today I want to challenge you to take more artistic, inspiring photographs of yourself. So as you understand, we're going to talk about self-portraits today, and with any good portrait, there's always a glimpse of the sitter's personality coming through in that photograph. So your challenge today is to find that glimpse of personality that you want to show about yourself and capture it. So if we look at this photograph here, the photographer has found a mirror in the car and captured herself. We see a lot about where she's standing, where she is, and then there's a lot on the outside of the picture about the car and where the car is located. So there's lots of layers and lots of levels of this image, but we still have a very good view of who the photographer is as well. If we look at this photograph here, the photographers photographed their feet. A self-portrait doesn't have to show your face. It could be your hands, it could be your eye, it could be your fingers, it could be the contents of your pocket. It's about you that we're trying to show more about. And if these are your favorite shoes, photograph them. Go for it. The next shot I'd like to talk about is this picture. So the photographer here has literally emptied her pockets, and you can see that she's got an iPhone, she's got a portable camera, she likes to drink water, she's got lots of other little things that make her who she is. She obviously likes the colour turquoise, works really well. So again, we get a glimpse of her, but we don't see her face. But her handbag is going to look a lot different than the contents of my handbag, which makes up who you are. And the last photograph I want to talk about is this one. So we've got a great frame within a frame going. The photographer's framed herself with her phone, and she's taking a quote-unquote selfie of herself taking a photograph. So there's lots and lots of levels going on. And the nice other thing is you can see her hand, so it becomes quite personable. We've got a piece of her in it as well as a picture of her face. So the key to taking a really interesting self-portrait is to think outside the box. Try and capture a glimpse of your personality in one frame. I bet you can do it. If you liked today's video, it'd be great if you could like and subscribe to our Sharp Shots Photo Club YouTube channel. And we'd really like it if you could leave us a couple of comments on what you think about our self-portrait tips. And I would love to see the photographs that you can take of yourself, so please tag us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.